Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Bless you, Tofu. You're sneezing.
Achoo!
Take this handkerchief.
Why do we sneeze?
Almost anything that irritates or tickles inside your nose can cause you to sneeze, like dust, pollens, cold air, pets, and pepper can cause sneezing.
But what happens when we sneeze?
The nose is an extremely sensitive organ that regulates the air we breathe. It makes sure we breathe clean and healthy air. Air sometimes has tiny particles that are unsuitable for us.
Achoo!
When we sneeze, our
Achoo!
nostrils expel the
Achoo!
irritating particles.
Achoo!
It could be dust,
Achoo!
flowers, pepper bottle,
Achoo!
and pets.
Achoo!
You can also sneeze a lot when you are suffering from cold, as the lining of your nose is swollen.
Sneezing can send tiny particles speeding out of your nose at up to 100 miles per hour. So what's the process?
When the inside of your nose gets a tickle, a message is sent to a special part of your brain, and the brain sends a message to all the muscles that have to work together to sneeze. Did you realize that you always close your eyes when you sneeze?
Really? Achoo! Achoo! Yes, you are right.
Bow, bow, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One, the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and